Let's get in the kitchen for Game Day Grub, presented by TECO People's Gas. Angie Baselli and Chef Tony have a special treat for Chargers Week.
Welcome to Game Day Grub, presented by TECO People's Gas. I'm here at a Dreamfinders model home in Longfield Preserve, which is a natural gas community. Chef Tony, what are you cooking up for us?
Well, Angie, we have some wonderful stuff to start. Today, we're going to do a cumin-scented grilled chicken with tabbouleh. I know that you guys like to eat nice and healthy, so we're going to start it off with something fantastic. So here's our chicken. First thing
smells amazing.
Is portion size, right? We love to get our portion size right. So if we look here, we have these wonderful chicken cutlets cut down to about a 3 to 4 ounce portion. I'm going to put them in here. What I want you to do is hit me with a little bit of olive oil, and then we're going to season them up. So go ahead, pour it in. There you go.
More?
No, that's perfect. That's perfect. Grab a little salt and pepper for me. Yep, just nice pinchful. Put it in there.
Pinch?
Oh yeah, come on.
We like pepper.
There we go. And in the bowl right here, this other bowl, this is where our cumin's gonna come in. We have ground cumin and a little bit of turmeric. We use the turmeric for its health benefits, but we also want to use it for a little bit of color. So put that in here as well.
I was gonna say, there's 2 things in this bowl and it smells so good.
You know,
We can use a lot of this.
Oh yeah, why not? We can use as much as we want.
Come
We're
on.
cooking it, right?
Okay, come on.
All right. This is like first downs. You want as many as you can get. Beautiful. You see now already our chicken is starting to get a little color on it. So what we're gonna do is I'll take this out to our grill out there with the natural gas, and we will get this cooking. What we like about that is this even temperature that's gonna come over the grill. We're not gonna have a lot of fluctuations like we would find with some other gas or maybe some other heat products that would make it happen for us. So we want that even cooking that natural gas presents for us. So we'll take that outside.
Okay, that looks fun to make too.
Well, look, your hands get a little dirty.
Messy.
So now it comes down to you. And
All
what's
right.
we're gonna go with this? We are going to do a tabbouleh salad.
I cannot wait. This
So
looks gorgeous.
we have mint, we have parsley.
Both in one
We have
bowl.
tomato, we have red onion. 2 must become 1. So please pour that one into this one.
I can do that.
Use your hand, right?
Oh, well, I should
Get
have.
in here.
I've got
Make
all
a
that
lot of
yummy
fun here.
seasoning on my hand too.
We have some red chili peppers that we're going to put in. I like a little bit of spicy, so use that one right there.
Perfect.
You're gonna squeeze the lemon over it next. So when you squeeze it, put the lemon in your hand down and let the juice go through your fingers and your hand will catch the seeds.
A natural sieve.
Just like
Less
that. Look
dishes,
at that.
right?
Right. And that's kind of the point, right?
Nice.
We wanna enjoy the entertainment that's going on.
It's a juicy lemon too.
There you go. And then just hit it with a little bit of bulgur. That's in that bowl right there.
Okay,
Nice
and
cracked wheat.
So
bit of
a
this.
little, or what you got to?
Just like that right there.
Okay, thank you.
And I want you to fold that together and I'll just season it up.
This looks amazing.
So-
It smells even better.
So this will be our side salad to our grilled chicken. We'll bring that right off the grill while this marinates and we'll have a wonderful dish.
Sounds awesome.
For the chicken and tabbouleh recipe and a look at all the Game Day Grub segments, make sure you visit peoplesgas.com/cooking.